What if I told you AI could build an entire video game in a weekend and start making money before it's even finished? Whether you're a solo dev, a gamer with big ideas, or an entrepreneur looking for your next digital income stream, this is for you. Now that AI can create entire games from scratch, the question isn't if you can monetize them, it's how fast. In this video, I'll reveal underrated, hidden, and rarely shared monetization strategies. Strategies that can transform your AI-powered game into a consistent revenue generator from day one. These are techniques some developers don't want you to know about. AI has revolutionized game development, making it faster and more efficient than ever before. From creating realistic graphics to designing complex game mechanics, AI is changing the landscape of the gaming industry. This technology not only reduces development time, but also opens up new possibilities for innovation and creativity. The potential impact of AI in game development is immense, promising a future where games are more immersive and engaging than ever before. Traditional game development often takes months or even years, requiring huge teams and six-figure budgets. But AI completely changes the game. It automates coding, design, and testing, allowing you to launch a fully functional game in weeks instead of years. This rapid development cycle means faster market entry equals faster profits. For example, using AI can reduce development costs by up to 50% and cut production time by 70%. Imagine launching a game in just 3 months with half the budget. Here's a secret. Before even launching your game, your AI-generated assets can already be making you money. Game developers worldwide are hungry for quality 3D models, textures, UI elements, and sprites, and regularly purchase them from marketplaces like Unity Asset Store, itch.io, and ArtStation. This means you can start earning while still developing your main game. Take, for example, Angus Wilson, who funded his entire game development by selling AI-generated assets. Or Cheryl S., who made a name for herself in the industry through his unique AI-designed characters. Now for one of the most profitable secrets in mobile gaming history: strategic game reskinning. Instead of spending months developing new game mechanics, use AI to completely transform the look and feel of existing games and launch multiple versions without any additional coding. This is how small teams compete with major studios. For example, the reskinning of Puzzle Quest led to a 300% increase in revenue, while Flappy Bird clones generated millions in ad revenue. Yes, reskinning is completely legal when you own or have proper licensing for the base game code or assets. Many successful developers purchase game templates specifically to reskin them. However, stealing copyrighted content is illegal and unethical. Always use AI-generated assets or properly licensed content to protect your business. Always consult with legal experts to ensure compliance and follow best practices to maintain the integrity of your game development process. This is where AI truly shines. Monthly subscriptions and loyalty programs. AI can continuously generate fresh levels, dungeons, characters, and challenges, making it perfect for an incredibly profitable monthly subscription model. Players will happily pay month after month for never-ending AI-generated content. Start by offering multiple subscription tiers to cater to different budgets. Implement loyalty programs and exclusive content to retain customers. This way, you build a predictable passive income stream while ensuring customer satisfaction. Here's an approach most creators overlook. Sell your prototypes. Instead of spending months publishing and marketing a full game, sell your AI-generated game prototypes directly to indie studios and publishers. AI can rapidly create impressive game mechanics, levels, and functional assets that established developers will gladly pay premium prices to acquire and expand upon. Additionally, consider licensing your prototypes for educational purposes or as training tools for new developers. These avenues can open up new revenue streams and expand your market reach. Monetization. This strategy is absolutely game-changing. AI allows you to create an infinite variety of unique in-game items and collectibles with minimal effort. Players are passionate about personalizing their experience, from AI-generated weapons and outfits to AI-crafted in-game pets. These unique items boost player engagement and drive revenue, making it effortless to create and sell virtual goods that generate real-world profits. Now you have 5 powerful strategies to monetize AI-generated games. The best part? You can implement multiple methods simultaneously to create diverse revenue streams. Remember, the AI game gold rush is happening right now, and early adopters are seeing the biggest returns. If you're ready to start your AI game business, click the link below to get my free AI game monetization starter kit. Build your dream game with AI, no coding needed. Download the Ultimate Game Creator's Companion ebook plus interactive workbook. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI business strategies, and share with fellow creators. Join our online community to network with other game developers and collaborate on exciting projects. The link is in the description. As we look to the future, the landscape of AI game monetization is set to evolve dramatically. Emerging technologies like blockchain and NFTs are creating new avenues for revenue generation. Imagine owning unique in-game assets that can be traded or sold in a decentralized marketplace, offering gamers a new level of engagement and ownership. Additionally, advancements in AI algorithms will enable even more personalized gaming experiences. With AI's ability to analyze player behavior, games can adapt in real time, offering tailored challenges and rewards that keep players invested longer. This opens up new opportunities for dynamic in-game advertising and personalized in-app purchases. Virtual and augmented reality are also on the horizon, promising to revolutionize how we interact with AI-generated games. These immersive technologies will create new monetization channels, from virtual real estate to augmented experiences that blend the digital and physical worlds. The market for AI-generated games is expanding globally, with emerging markets showing significant growth potential. As internet access and mobile device usage increase, new audiences are coming online, eager for innovative gaming experiences. Staying ahead of these trends requires continuous learning and adaptation. Join our community to stay updated on the latest developments in AI game monetization and be part of the next wave of innovation. Creating a thriving community around AI-generated games is not just a bonus, it's essential for long-term success. Let's explore some effective strategies to build and engage your community. First, leverage social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to share updates, behind-the-scenes content, and engage directly with your audience. Regularly posting engaging content can help keep your community informed and excited about upcoming features and updates. Next, consider setting up dedicated forums or Discord servers where players can discuss the game, share tips, and provide feedback. Being active in these spaces allows you to gather valuable insights and foster a sense of belonging among your players. Hosting events, both online and offline, can also significantly boost community engagement. Online events like tournaments or live Quanda sessions with developers can generate excitement and provide a platform for players to interact with each other and the game creators. Offline events, such as meetups or conventions, can further strengthen these bonds and create memorable experiences. Finally, don't underestimate the power of user-generated content. Encourage your community to create and share their own content, such as fan art, game mods, or strategy guides. Featuring this content on your official channels can make players feel valued and more connected to the game. Building and engaging a community around AI-generated games is an ongoing process that requires dedication and creativity. By leveraging social media, forums, events, and user-generated content, you can create a vibrant and loyal player base that will support your game for years to come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of AI in gaming. Until next time, keep innovating and exploring the endless possibilities of AI-generated games. Make sure to request your free download copy and subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive content and insider tips on the latest in AI game development and monetization.